Hi, my name is Alejandra Pineda and I'm going to talk about the graphic novel Persepolis 1. Persepolis 1 was written by Marjane Satrapi. She was born in 1969 in Razd, Iran. She is an artist and writer whose graphic novels explore the gaps and junctures between East and West. She grew up in Tehran. She studied art and after a short-lived marriage moved back to Europe in 1993. She published important books like Persepolis 1 in 2000, Persepolis 2 in 2001, Persepolis 3 in 2002 and Persepolis 4 and Brothers in 2003. Talking about now the book Persepolis 1, the story starts introducing us in the origins of Iran and all the change and conflicts that this country has had until 1980. The introduction tried to explain us the reason that of this change, the internal and external conflicts that are in majority being a country rich in resources and other cultural and political items. It is important to mention that the author, before starting with the graphic novel, explained us why she wrote this book. She wrote it because she wanted people to know and understand that her country is not only fanatism, fundamentalism, and terrorism of a few extremists, but is full of people that have fought for freedom and for a better country for future generations. The story is developed in Iran and it is all narrated in first person. The principal character is the author of the novel when she was a child. The novel begins when the Iran Revolution starts in the decade of 70s. The revolution consists in a searching of end with a dynasty, changing that for an Islamic Republic. The author narrates about some important facts of the revolution, introducing us into her daily life. First, in the 80s, with the Islamic Republic, many things changed. She and all the girls were forced to wear a veil on their heads and also were separated from men and assist to religious schools. It started with some manifestation of the population, influenced by ideas of characters like Che Guevara, showing us some things that happened in her family. She explained that she wanted to be a prophet to end with the social classes and people suffering that was caused by the dynasty. Protestants against dynasty were butchered by soldiers. The author tells us that her parents were active Protestants too, and they explain her the story of the Shah, the king in that time, so she finally understood the importance of the revolution and that the king was not elected but by God. She had wishes of going protest too. Finally, many communists were arrested and tortured during the revolution, and some of them were free when the dynasty ended and the start of Islamic Republic, but some others were killed before this happening.